What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and right now I'm going to be showing you guys the problem I've been having with my ATV, the exhaust leak that's on it, and how we fix it. So yeah. Alright, so this is my ATV, as you guys know, and so when I bought it, it came with this Big Gun Eagle R exhaust. That sounds great, but then it was only a slip-on, so then this stock pipe that comes out of the header here, but then here there was like this, the slip-on never like shut tight here, so basically this would there's always air coming out of here, and it would always just, it's an exhaust leak, so air would always come out of here. So basically what I did was I put high temperature silicone in here to basically try to stop the leak, and then I bought a U-clamp, I guess you call it, from Canadian Tire, to try to like squeeze this around here, so like it's the slip-on is tight around here, so that this would be clogging any air getting in, and then it would squeeze even tighter, so both of those would try to keep air from not coming in. Also, another thing I did, or my dad did for me, was like, see this little slot in it here, how there's like a cut. Oh, you probably can't see that, but there's like a cut down there, and there's one here, there's one under it, and there's one on the back, so there's 4 of these little cuts. Basically we did those so that when we put this clamp on, it would be easier to squeeze together, so that it would press more tight against this. Yeah, that's basically what the issue was with it, and I'm pretty sure, I'm going to try it out later in this video, but I'm pretty sure that we fixed this problem. So yeah. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and start it now, so don't think I'll need choke this morning. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I just started it, and I'm going to go see if there's any air coming out of there. No, I don't feel any. Yeah, no. I don't feel any air coming out of there. So we fixed the problem. Guys, I'm gonna shut off my ATV quick. So guys, basically, if you couldn't hear me, we did fix the problem. There's no air coming out of here, which is great, and it seems to be holding up. So that is awesome. That's good. So, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about what we did or how to do it. Peace.